All right, y'all. So it looks dope. Check this out. And welcome back to another video. First off, thank you to everybody that's been watching the videos. I don't think I say thank you enough. Thank you for actually submitting questions. If you submitted questions for the last Q&A, that was pretty fun to do. It was crazy. Thanks for everybody that came through with the questions. I enjoyed that. But today we're finally getting to do something that I've been waiting to do for a while now. And I was like, I'm just gonna wait for the weather to nicen up. But then winter came and I was like, all right, it's not gonna get warm at all. So yeah, we're about to do this now. And I got a surprise for you guys. Check this out. So you know I'm all about using iPhones, right? So this angle you're seeing now couldn't be done without a second camera, another iPhone. You see a double angle, so let me see if you can see it. Make sure you can see it. So you guys are back there right now. So hopefully, this is definitely gonna be a great thing for the channel because now I can get double angles. I can do a lot of things that I wanted to do. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty tight. I'm excited. Now I can like set up cameras and have the camera vlogging at the same time. Set up another camera. It's easier for tutorials, easier for getting more shots during car meets or whatever. You know, we take it to the next level. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's go ahead and let you guys know what I'm getting ready to do. Jingle bell rock, jingle bell time, jingle bell time, dancing and dancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frost, yeah. Ah, thank you, sir. Ho, ho, ho. All right, so first things first, the banner is gonna go across here, this top area. It's gonna get that nice curvature just like this tent. We're gonna put the banner on the top, and then we're gonna put a design on top of the banner. This is the actual banner here, or the vinyl, you know, the first part of the banner. I actually got all these products. So the banner, the design, the sticker that's gonna go on top of the banner, which you guys are gonna see soon, and then the other sticker as well. That all came from they're on Instagram as Spiva's Design Co. Man, they were so easy to work with. Really good people. When they got out pretty quick, they was working with me. They go back and forth with you in the DMs. Make sure you know exactly what you want and you're getting exactly what you want. They'll work with you on designs. Shipping was quick, just like that. So shout out to them. I'm really glad because I was looking for somebody to do banners. Couldn't find anybody that would do it for a good price, one, and two, that wouldn't make me wait like a month or two in order to make the design and ship it out. I mean, they have plenty of colors on deck, so you have a lot to choose from. I was able to color match one color to the exact color that I wanted. I got from this website, so he was able to color match that. So this was not paid or anything like that. This is just somebody I found that we just linked up in the DMs and it worked out. And I'm glad with their service, so check it out. But back to the banner, let's get this thing going. So when you get your measuring tape, you're gonna wanna line it up from right here, this spot here, this little indentation, all the way up to about right here. Well, no, exactly right there. It's that corner right there. And we're gonna measure about maybe somewhere like in the 24, 25 inch mark, which would be probably like around right here. And so you just decide where you want your banner to be using that measuring tape. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Oh, that's a stick. Dang. Come on, man. I think I'm gonna go with, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Remember, all this is being done with one person. It's all doable. Take that right there. So now basically we're just gonna mark where I want the end of the banner to be. And that's gonna be about 9 inches. Let's go with 9 inches. So I'm just gonna put a little tape mark right here. So I know exactly where that's gonna be. So basically we're just gonna do that on the other side now. So 9 inches from the top on both sides. So again, just about 9 inches from the top. So if we put that at the 14 mark. So right there at that 5 mark is where we're gonna put the piece of tape. Right there. All right. Now we know exactly how far we want the banner to come down. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and use your glass cleaner. So go ahead and just spray this. Microfiber towel, you can use a regular towel if you want, or even a paper towel. I have this on hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. So we're just gonna clean this area up real quick. You wanna make sure you get all the grime off, any dust, dirt, may prevent it from sticking properly. And you don't want that, trust me. It's happened to me before, back in my high school days when I was putting stickers all over my Honda Civic. But you know what, you live and you learn. All right, so that's definitely clean enough. There's some, just like dust. Oh well, it is what it is. Usually you would put this here and you stretch it out, but because I only have one person, we're gonna actually tape it to one side and pull it tight on the other side. It'll be as if someone was holding it on its side. You'll see from the different camera angle exactly how I do this. It's easier showing it than actually explaining it. So yeah, wish me luck and we'll see how it goes. So basically this is just supposed to hold it. I'll be on that side holding it. I won't have anyone over here. So this tape is gonna hold it. I'm gonna pull from that side. It's gonna stretch out. And then we're gonna actually begin to flatten it out and do everything. Oh. All right, so you just wanna make sure that's sprayed up. Lift it. Spray up under there. That's good. Make sure we can get make that straight. You see? So I actually just lowered it down a little bit further because it was showing that part where the rear view mirror attaches. I don't want that showing. So I lowered it down like an inch. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the spraying again because that took a little bit. I didn't record it because it was just me measuring. So let's go ahead and spray one more time. There we go. So as we peel, you just want to spray. As that's peeling back, don't let any of the sticky parts touch each other. So go ahead and pull that over on that side. And as we keep peeling back, just keep on spraying. It's fine if that white piece comes up. Just keep on spraying. Make sure to keep everything wet. One section at a time. So this part, make sure nothing touches it. Keep everything wet. So now what I'm going to do, because I don't have someone else to cut, take this knife. I'm going to cut this white. This is trash. Make sure you spray your hands. Spray this some more. Spray that black down, brown. And now, make sure this is really wet because we're going to slide it a bit. Make sure this is soaking wet. Run it down. And line that up. Leave that there. Make sure you're always spraying. And then come. Line this up appropriately. Go ahead and spray that. And then it looks lined up. We'll go ahead and from the middle out. Take care of this. Fix this up here. Go Clean this out. So now, just using the squeegee to get rid of these bubbles, air bubbles or whatever. Lay that right there for a second. Keep that wet. Pull that out. Now I'm going to flip over to the other side, not the cloth side, but this side, and very lightly go in those creases and make sure the vinyl gets down into those creases. Basically, I'm taking this edge here, this black edge, and I'm getting in the actual creases very lightly, just going down, making sure it gets in there right at the top. Go ahead and do that. Hit those corners. If it's hard, if you feel like you're about to rip it, peel this up a little bit just to relieve some tension so you can put more vinyl down into those creases. Lightly go across. Just seal that in. Seal it in. You see right here, you can kind of see there's a bit of a bubble right there. So if I try to seal that edge, it might make a hole. What you're gonna do is just lift this up a bit. And then bring it, relieve some tension. There you go. And then you're gonna seal it in. To help the drying occur more quickly, you could just get a hair dryer or a heat gun and just blow it onto the vinyl. See if you can see any bubbles. I mean, not, of course there's water bubbles, but I mean like bubbles under the vinyl. I don't see it sticking up anywhere. Came out good. For a one-man job, granted, I probably could have done a better job, but the fact that I did this by myself, and this was mostly for you guys, because I could have easily went and got my dad or called up a few of my friends that are, you know, in the cars or that are just willing to help me out. Not everybody has somebody else to help them out. Putting a banner on by yourself successfully, it was rough, but I wish I had this video to help me out, and now you guys do. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna let this dry up, and then I'll check back in when I'm putting the design on, and you guys get to see what the design is that I'm actually putting on this banner. Another thing you can do just to make sure there's no bubbles, take that rag, fiber cloth, and this rub, and just feel slowly if you can feel any imperfections in it. Whenever you feel some kind of bump, that's an air bubble underneath. I just got rid of a few. I think we're good. Ah, there's a small bump right there. You can, I don't even know if you can see it on the camera. It's right here. See if I can just push that up into the crease and on out of the paper. Well, yeah, man, I think this came out pretty nice. I think this came out pretty decent. Not too shabby. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the X-Acto knife and I'm gonna cut along the edges, only on the glass. Put it right into that crease. And we're just gonna cut. Let me see if this even cut. Yeah, it cut. So there you go. Go ahead and take this up very slowly. So now we're gonna cut the top, and yeah, I'm just gonna basically do the entire the same thing I just did right here. I'm gonna do it across and over, and when we get back, just to see what the black banner will look like. All right, so as you can see, the sun is definitely going down. So the only negative about this is that it takes a little longer than normal. But you know, beggars can't be choosers. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have anybody to help you out, you just gotta sacrifice the time. It is what it is. But you know, try to enjoy the process while you're doing it. So far, I took a few measurements. You guys didn't see that part because it's really tedious. Basically, you know, just use tape. You know, use painter's tape. Take some few measurements. Make sure you center it. You know exactly where you want to center it. Make sure you measure across so you know where exactly you want to center your design. Make sure you measure, you know, vertically to see where you want to center it. You know, vertical wise. You got Vicks Rex here. Putting Vicks Rex on this. You guys are gonna see what's gonna come after this, but we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. Don't pull this way. Don't pull this way and peel. You know what I'm saying? You want to keep it as flat as possible. This has been centered for about 5 minutes, so I think it's good. Take your time. You really want to take your time with this. Again, you don't want to get to this part You spend all your hard work doing this banner, and then when you go to put your design on, you mess that up. And just take your time, you know, enjoy the process. Be proud of what you're doing. Yeah, you'll be good. So, got the Vicks Rex on there. Few bubbles, but you know, it's good. Noticing a bubble right there. Hopefully this can help you guys do this as well. Show you that you don't absolutely need someone else to help you out. You know what I'm saying? So the whole point of doing this was, you know, just to attract more attention and like bring more people to actually find out about the YouTube channel and just let them know who exactly is, you know, driving the car. You know what I'm saying? There's been times where people will see the car and it's like, oh, I didn't even know that was you. I didn't know you even drove this. I didn't know you drove that. Some people don't even know about the channel. You know what I'm saying? So it's an advertisement kind of thing. That's all there is to it. It's an advertising move. And I've always wanted a banner, but I didn't know exactly what to do. I didn't know if I was gonna put like a car club. I went ahead with the YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? And just to let people know exactly who I am. The yellow headlights kind of get attention. We'll see how it goes, man. Now I'm getting ready to add one more design under the Vicks Rex, and we're gonna see how it is. All right, so I forgot the outro. Here, my guy Jordan, you know what I'm saying? You already know him from the photography videos. If you don't know who that is, man, get on the wave, bro. Come on, bro. Let me focus that in real quick.
Focus it in, bro.
What you shoot? Cars? Family?
I shoot people.
There you go.
Everything. That's Kid Cudi.
Portrait? Kid Cudi? I don't do photography. This is the photography man. If you want video, yes, I'll do the video. Photography at Teen Cudi. Get the photos done. Get the videos done, you know what I'm saying? Get the deal done.
And tell your peoples about my man's page, yo. Spread the word. Like, share, subscribe, all that. Just because you like it don't mean somebody else in another state won't like it. How are they going to know if you don't tell them?
Tell them, son.
I don't know.
Tell them, son.
Spread the word, man.
Tell them, son.
We can okay, get out of my...
But we're back because you saw the Vicks Rex get put on there. But now I'm about to show you the final product. How my man Teen Cudi Jordan, a.k.a. Jordan, come through and actually shoot the final product. It's going to be up on his Instagram. Y'all probably won't see this video until way later, but it is what it is.
It looks sweet.
It does, it really does. My man captured it. Granted, we did wait till nighttime to get the pictures done, but you said it don't matter?
It don't even matter.
All right, y'all, so it looks dope. Check this out. Look at this. Come on, bruh. Oh, it came out dope. Especially for a one-man job. Don't worry about that. It's just like some water or something. I gotta clean this. Yeah, the car hasn't been washed yet because it's just too cold. And I was scared to put it in the automatic wash because I don't want the stickers to come off because I put them on in the cold. But bruh, barely any air bubbles. It came out really nice, I feel like. Let's see if I can get a close-up. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all probably already knew this was coming. You kind of can't see it because the lights are on and it's dark, but that yellow is the exact same yellow as the film. It just looks, I love it. Came out nice. I hope y'all were able to actually use the video. I hope it actually helped y'all out. If you want to install your own banners, but you don't got somebody to help you out, it can be done. This was all done by myself. Measuring it and all that, cutting it. So it can be done, you know what I'm saying? Granted, it's easier to do with multiple people, but let's see, it took me about 2 to 3 hours. And that's just because this was my first time like dealing with vinyl and putting it onto the actual car. If you have any other questions about like something I didn't answer regarding that banner installation, or you know, how to put the banner on or how to prep the car to put the banner on. If you need help finding where to get the banner, let me know, man. Shout out to Spivas Design Co. Shout out to Teen Cudi, aka Jordan. That's who y'all just saw. Shout out to them because they really made this. Spivas bought me the design. He brought it to life, and Jordan was able to capture it for y'all. Hope y'all like it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, thank you if you stayed this long. Much appreciated for watching the entire video. Hopefully y'all got an idea of what kind of channel this is, what kind of content I'm going to be posting. I got a car video edit coming out soon. It was from the Paul Walker meet, so stay tuned for that. That just takes time to edit and everything, and I got a lot of things going on, so I'm trying. I really am. But in the meantime, I'm bringing y'all like these kind of vlogs and these tutorials just to help y'all out and just to entertain y'all and inform y'all about, you know, what's going on in my life, what's going on with the Rex, most importantly. Make sure you like the video if you liked it. If you disliked it, you know, let me know in the comments why you disliked it. Subscribe if you want more, and stay tuned, man, because we got a lot of things coming. All right, peace, y'all.